So this time we're gonna call it the eBay files. I found a lot of pictures that I took over the couple past years about my models that I used to sell on eBay, buy and sell on eBay. So let's begin. So we have here a look. I think it's 2009. I don't remember, but you leave it in the comments. And this one is a covered boxcar. Gordon's express passenger car or coach. This one is Rocket or Stephen. Bell and a water tanker. I used to put them on pairs, you know. For example, this one with the tender is missing the cover, battery cover, and I used to sell it like that. Even the card is not for Flynn, that's for Percy. I put it like, you know, I was trying to make some kind of match. I remember I am not a Thomas fan and I used to buy and sell. And for example, we have here a Bosnia B. James. Oh, look at that one, crash and repair diesel. Trackmaster 2 Percy. Look at those. Those are 2009, I think. And incredible. I look batch and what's that? Brake bang. Those cars are not even for those models. Look at that broken Edward. I don't really remember how much I sold this long time ago. Look at this Gordon. So there I found some rare items. Look at this Emily, and some are really rare, but for me I didn't care at the time. I used to buy and sell and that's it. It's just merchandise for me. But anyways, look at this take and play sets. Here's another Diesel 10. So you may see some similar items, but I used to, you know, sell a lot. See, here's Flynn and Bell, just the one past. Bell with here is Salty with one of those. I forgot. Let me know in the comments. I think this one sold 2017, if I'm not mistaken, on the files. Henry, another Gordon. Those were the first custom made that I used to do myself. I'm talking about 4 years ago. Look at this. I bought a lot of these Thermos sheds, as you saw in the pictures. A lot of those, and I sell them. I think I bought like a 25 for $20 each, or 15 or 17. I don't remember. Yeah, those were my first customs. See, this nothing to do with Victor, but anyways, neither Sir handle, so I had no idea which cards should be matching. At the time, I just put any card. This one is Scarloy with that cattle card. Emily, Arthur. I'm trying to remember the names. I don't even know. So the Solar Ice Com card, the one you see on this Tomas, is for the remote control Thomas. It's not even for that one. Here's a Percy with another card. Hero. A Talking Thomas. Yeah, I was looking at the pictures and actually these files that I had in my hand some rare items, but you remember, I don't collect. But anyway, there are some rare items right there. I'm gonna show you as soon as we get there. Here's a Caitlin, another custom Thomas LBS C70. I used to sell a lot. Here is a Steam Alone set, a complete set. Nice. Oh, beat up, but anyways, here's a lady with a troublesome truck. Even the cargo is not for that troublesome. I mean, for lady. Look at this set. Nice set. Scarloy. Here's Ben. Here's Doc. Remember, if I forget the name, you correct me on the comments because I don't remember some of those names. Here is SC Ruffy. Is that there? Look at this rare coach, old slow coach. I get the. I think I got like 3 sets and I sell them separately. It is a part of the 75 anniversary. I don't remember. You let me know in the comments. That one was for a wooden railway. Here is Zero 3D face. Here's another set. Black troublesome trucks. Here is Thomas makes a mess. I don't even know if that paint is for that Thomas, but anyways. Snow covered Percy. Spencer. Back in those days I did not have the stickers that I had now, and I even had no time to replace the stickers or even to do some touch up. It was very busy, and as you can see, some of those sold without battery covers. Here are some talking Thomas, Henry, the one passed before. Oh, look at this one. What's this? Knackford station. Yeah, it was a complete set. Really nice. I had to sell it, but anyways. Here is a set from Timo's Sheds. Now remember, there might be similar pictures, but they are not the same because I used to sell a lot. See, the backs are not the same. Here is another set, and it's not the same. It's a different set. And I don't get it. But anyways, I used to sell these sets for $72. Look at this Bachmann. I think this is Thomas Kinkade. I don't know if that's the right name, way to spell it, but you let me correct me in the comments. Really nice models. It's a Tolkien Fling. I used to have a lot. Tolkien Diesel. It's a 2009 James detached tender. It's a lady with a passenger car. It wasn't for that, but I put it, just as an add-on. Look at this rare green salty. Nobody wanted to buy it. I used to sell it for $10. Nobody cares. But right now they are very, very hard to find. Look at these wobbly wheels troublesome trucks. Nabil. Another Spencer. Spencer comes in Tommy, Hitoy, and Mattel, I think. Yes. Nothing to do with Dash. Is that Bash or Dash? I forgot the name. I put the Apple cars with that car. I don't know why, but anyway. Here's a remote control Thomas, not flip face Thomas. Look at this Crovan's gate mine, copper mine, I think, mountain. I don't know. Another salty. Toby. That one was really nice. Here's another Percy. Oh man, I used to sell those Percys for $3 to $5, I think, back in those days. Now they are really expensive. And nice Thomas. Here's a 2009 diesel tank because of the face. I know it. Look at this. Here is one of those red. I couldn't pass. Anyway, never mind. So here's another Bell with a water tank. Oh, look at this rare, hard to find, the clown car for Toby. Here's another Dodge Charlie. So we're gonna dig on those files. I have a lot of files, and we're gonna find some real rare items. Look at this Duke. Is it Duke? I don't know. Anyways, Scarloy. Oh, this beat up Freddy. Stanley. I don't know if that car belongs to Stanley, but I put it in with that. Anyways, remember, I had no idea. And look at this Bash. The Sauce car is not for that one. Anyways, I put it just as add-on. I used to sell this a lot without the battery covers, because at the time I did have any idea how to make the battery. Look at this puppet show. Scarloy, snow clearing hero, another 2009 James, but with attached tender. What's this? Dart. with a, oh, look at this Boco, really nice model. Zero handle with the boxcar. Here's any Clarabel. Those were the first stickers I used to do like 4 years ago. Here's Spersi, Thomas. I always used to put some add-ons because I needed to sell because I had a lot. Unfortunately, I did not collect. Look at this Sirofi. Those cargos were for, I don't remember those where it came from. Anyways, here is another there, custom LBS C70 Thomas. Ben with a mining car. Another salty with a, I think it's other night delivery or something. Murdoch. Oh man, I used to have a lot of those. Another set of Annie and Clarabel. Look at this inside dining cars. Here's Mavis. I don't know, Diesel. That car didn't belong to Diesel. Neither for that brake van for Lady, but anyways. Look at this Ferdinand. I have not the tender or anything else. Dodge and Splatter. Those used to sell really fast. I don't know why I put that box on that. What's the name of that? I forgot. Kevin. Tolkien Gordon. Tolkien Toby. Oh man, I used to have a lot. I wish I could collect, but anyways, it was business. That was my way of living, buying and selling. And I'm still not collecting, but I'm, trying to see what I have in my files. I was lucky to find the files. I thought I forgot, lost everything. But anyways, here's Hank, another K-Link, missing the passenger cars. Duncan, that car, I like that car. Here's a Rosie with the fresh stickers that I made. See Stanley, I don't know why I put Stanley with a male car, but anyways, Charlie. Here is Duke. Why I put Duke with male car? I don't know if that one belongs. See, even Victor. Why I put Victor with the male car? This car was for Whiff, and I don't know why I put it. Anyways, I remember I had no idea about the Thomas franchise. I used to buy and sell anyways. So, here's another Steam Alone set. Nice. See the difference? That one had a mark on Annie. It's different from when the one in the beginning of the video. Here is a Rusty with a passenger car. Here's another set from I don't remember, 7 birthday celebration. Here's a beat up 3D face Toad. Another Diesel. Yeah, we had a lot of good finds. Here's another birthday celebration Thomas. Snow covered Percy, and we have Madge. Nobody wanted to buy Madge. I had like a 5 or 7, and I used to sell them for $10 or 11. Oh man! But now they are expensive, anyways. So, anyways, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Over and out.